we now heading to then inaitwaje Lesmadi Falls. Lesmadi National Park. They also got a waterfall. Are we going downhill? Is
that's
it?
what I noticed.
Because you can see this car is like it's coming uphill.
Not on the park up like this. Oh, this is the Mandi Regional Park.
Yeah, there's a regional park.
We go here.
No, maandika Lesmadi Falls tena.
Wewe acha ingine tunaenda ingine.
Si labda tumefika.
No, twende hii kwanza. Sio hii.
Bas, tafuta kwa shade, mimi nakaa kwa gari. Hapo. Ama kuna uko mbele baba. I think unaweza pata uko mbele tena.
Better shade? Sio hapo.
Hapo si shade bwana.
That's Madrid.
Na huko kuna maji.
So tumeangukia nini yenye hapo?
I think it's the same Lesmadi Falls. Bado hatujafika.
Hii inaitwa Madi Regional Park.
Ai. Huko kuna nini?
Nimepoteza.
So it went off long ago and I thought it's still recording. Aiden, can I help you with the mango juice? Umeshiba? Umeshiba Aiden?
Yes.
Leta nikusaidie. Let me drink it for you. Why are you looking at me like? Why are you looking at me like that, Aiden? Oh, I think they're tired.
Maybe it's
I think these people I think they just admire village life. And they come to the sheep and they sit there happy to stay with the sheep.
Look at the horse.
Hey, ona venye amesimama, she's so cute. Kuja ona venye ameweka mguu.
Oh, that.
Ona mguu yake venye amesimama.
Oh.
She's like a model. Aiden, kuja ona horse venye amesimama. Now she's lifting the other side. She's cute. She was lifting this side. Now she's lifting the other side.
I'm just gonna go back to that.
Roshio and Marwa need to build something like this for their horses, is it?
I don't have a horse so I can be riding. I'm gonna get a horse. Aiden.
You see the girl is saying, he's selling the horse, why can't you talk to me? Where is Aiden? Aiden! He's gonna get lost, kid. Go get him. I didn't know there's a chair. I hope I don't break it.
Let me just sit.
No. You sit on the
Sit on it.
Nah, I'm just gonna sit.
I'm
Yeah,
taller than
Papa.
both of you. Ha 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 ha.
So what?
So what's your occupation?
Mountain climber.
You're hired.
Is he hired assassin? What is he hired to do?
You're hired to be
a mountain
to be
climber?
employed
Yeah.
To be Keep's employee.
Bazinga. Was that funny? Was that funny?
You can run through mpaka mnaweza shindana nione who's faster.
I don't want to sweat in this heat. Obviously, I'm faster than
You're already sweating.
I'm already faster than
No, Aiden is faster than
I
you.
don't want to run because I don't want to shower again.
I want to go to the
I want to go to the bathroom. That's my tea.
Less muddy, Aiden.
This muddy mountain so big.
Ona ni park kama hii. Kuna waterfall. You want to look at the pictures of Les Madi?
Yeah, I guess.
That's better, is it?
Yeah, I guess. Just the two of us.
Unajua hiyo wimbo ni ya 1980s kid. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Have you seen how Les Madi looks like, Aiden?
Yeah, yeah.
Just like his mom.
The Cold War. John F. Kennedy. CNN, Cold War.
Hmm?
United States of American versus
Danny? Ronaldo.
He's like the most popular person. The most popular people.
Why didn't I wear my dress? Oh.
Mama doesn't do not. We do check that, but she said at least.
Now the thing is 7%. Hi Kip, how are you feeling? Tired? Lethargic? Aiden, how are you feeling, Aiden? Do you wanna go back home? Look at the camera. How are you feeling?
fine. I'm tired.
Tired. So guys, we came to is it SNR? SNR Oak Head Farm, and now everyone is so exhausted.
Hi guys! And today we're in this area. Yeah? Okay. Was he writing?
So last time when we came,
That's a big river. Yeah, me too. Me too. It does make me feel dizzy. Well, look up. Look under you. Look.
Man, just imagine if this breaks.
I'll be hanging from here.
Make sure it's tight.
Here, look. Somebody's there.
Yeah, that's where we went to mountain climbing once.
Oh, so we climbed this. Oh, God's sake.
Oh, the earth is so big.
Yeah, can't you believe it? Man.
Actually, Nini, just don't hold it over there. Either you're holding it with your hands or you just...
Hey. Hey, the Chernobyl explosion happened over there. Just kidding now.
Can you shut up? Nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
You know what? Let's go climb down over here. Again, what I know it than I used to know. Everything and it came and then you know I said the world. Every magic came the world, and then you wanna say the world. And it may be the say. That's what they say. And maybe you have a curve, but it's kind of against the world. And then you know I say I rule the land. My culture has again It doesn't make me. Look at them. You see the city? I used to How many you have become? Wasn't again.
You can kind of see the cars over there.
Look at those.
I see my school over there and your school keep over there.
Just hold it here.
Where? Alright, let's go.
Let's go back.
Wait, let's go back. I want to go there.
No, well, last time we went there, we don't have to. No. Hey there. You don't have to go that side.
Wakanda forever.
Hey!
What do you think you are?
Why do that What? Yeah, it is the view. I like this view.
Let's go back.
That's one there is right now.
Watu walienda hapo. Walienda wanateremka hivi. I think we did that last time. Remember?
Yeah, and they're not tired. And they're not tired. I see them.
I think last time when we came, tulienda chini.
So it's not.
I remember. Tulienda mpaka mahali kuna barabara nyingine inaenda the other side.
So it wasn't even that hard.
I'm tired of.
What about just me and Keep could go?
Huh?
Me and Keep.
What if you get tired down there? Who will bring you up?
What? We could just climb up back.
Huh?
We could just climb up back thanks to this.
Yeah. Rosie's actually so nice. I know. She actually wants to hang out with us.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're running. Dad, what is it? You could go by yourself up there. No, we could climb up there. Mountains. We could climb up over there and there.
Na ile maji huko.
No, I'm just gonna go. The camera's already on. I'd go this way. Now we shouldn't go back. Where keep? I will not get lost. Oh my god. Yeah? You just planned yesterday.
It's not heading somewhere, Dad. We go back to the end of
Yeah. Yes.
But this is good exercise. Ni kama kwenda gym.
Yeah, like.
Tunatoa.
And also, look, my leg is actually starting to be a bit faster now because of
You
it.
feel some pain huko. You are doing well.
Yeah, but
Hiyo ni kama umeenda gym.
yeah, but my shin only hurts. My shin only hurts, not my calf. Upper.
I just wanted the waterfall.
Okay, let's go to the waterfall.
Nobody the one. Yes, on it.
Yes. Should he just stop here so he could like take a break?
Where is this I'm adding it? Let's go to there and then we go.
Yeah. Only my shin hurts. That means I'm just improving my shin.
You're tired now.
Me, I'm not even tired. After drinking the water in the car.
I'll carry it.
No, I'm not even running. I'm just like walking.
You want me to carry it?
I'm not even running. I'm just walking.
Let's go and ask somebody. Go to just in the waterfall, that's it. Then you go home.
Aiden, don't.
I think that that's okay on that side.
It is a lake.
Don't tell me this is a waterfall they were saying. Can't be this.
Aiden, do you want to record?
No, check in, that's very good. So let me take Aiden a picture there.
I'm tired.
Okay, I'm just gonna wave it like this. Okay, still record. Oh, but it's gonna be upside down.
Yeah, it is.
Alright. Now I can't run. Yeah. How did you cross over there? Ah, bees! They're frozen. Hey, keep.
Ini समझ लगी
समझ लगी बात है डर गया मैंने पीछे ले तो नहीं करना नहीं
Yeah, I'm careful. keep. Gabriel, can you carry up this one?
Careful, Eden. I think this is the route we came from, isn't it?
No.
This
The other route is the one that we took.
Okay.
Not this one. So there is a shortcut. Huh.
And it's over there.
Where?
That's the route we took.
Not this one?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Whatever, let's just go.
This one, Eden.
No, it's this one.
No.
This one.
It's this one. It didn't come, it's this one.
No, it's the one.
No,
That one is.
we came here and then we went like that. Aiden.
Alright. Oh, they look the same.
Careful.
Look what I'm doing.
Oh.
Let's go. Aiden is the most athletic guy around here.
The most fit one.
Eh?
But I'm still stronger.
You should see how I'm sweating.
Oh, Dad, you're gonna be worse than us.
You should see how I'm sweating.
My car.
This is better than the gym 100 times.
And you're wearing jeans as well.
Yeah, because okay, wait for me. Let me stand a little bit.
All of this hurts. From here to here hurt. There's only my palm.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Going the wrong way. Aiden, that's the wrong one.
No, it's the right one.
Isn't it? Ah, so
Keeps feet is trembling. His feet, he's shaking. His legs are shaking. That was a good one. Now you will sleep well tonight.
Even you and Gabe. Oh my god.
Okay,
Taking a wrong step.
move aside, Dad. Move.
sorry.
Yes, sir.
So it's alright. Oh my god, bro.
Aiden, can I tell you how you are sweating? I don't even know how to describe.
Down or going up?
We are going up. Okay, let's go. Now at least we have rested a little bit. Hello. I like that. Let's go. Keep going.
My lower back.
Huh?
My lower back.
You are?
My lower back.
Your lower back? What were you carrying? You are not carrying anything. What do you mean your lower back? Because of climbing.
I don't do it every day.
At least if you say your feet, I will understand. Now saying your lower back for just climbing. Guys, you are laughing and I'm finished. I'm done completely. Actually, I need like 15 minutes
I have a whole.
rest in
I think I went swimming.
the car first.
I think I went swimming, guys.
You need swimming now? Swimming?
Yeah, I just went swimming.
But swimming was allowed there. Where?
But we
The one we started with. Down there?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
No, let's go.
No, not again. Like that one pond. That pond.
The
Something we
pond?
call ducks.
What? Ducks.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I'm not sure. I
Keith,
think there.
Aiden wants to go down there. Huh? Talk to him because he wants it.
I want to. Let's go.
Okay, we turn back from here.
Let's
If
go.
you want, if you really want to go there.
Let's go.
I think I'm not fit. Do you think Mom would have survived this? Okay then, where did you want? Here? The breeze is actually nice here. I told you to be careful, but you can wash your face.
Let me wash my hands.
You can wash your face. Even there. Here, Honor, look. Clean water, I think there. You pick the clean part. No. You should pick the clean part here. Like you collect here, clean part. Don't touch the bottom. Okay, collect and then, yes. Wash your face. Very good. Again. Good. That's it. Where's your swimsuit? I think you could have. Okay, let's go. Okay, we go or you're going back?
Let's go home.
Going back there or we go?
No, going back there.
Back? You're serious?
Yeah.
No, let's go this way.
I have to go back.
You agreed or what?
Yeah, I want to.
You want to go back?
Yeah.
Keep, have you agreed? Okay, let's go there. Look at these flowers. Those flowers are everywhere, Aiden.
Well, are you okay? I'm gonna go here for a bit.
No. Let's go, Aiden.
Now finally starting to get a little bit interesting. We're trying to think about it again. So, I'll
Look at this, Aiden.
Those are the flowers to use to make vanilla.
What?
Yeah, they used to make vanilla.
Oh, they make for vanilla.
Yeah.
This type of flowers.
Yeah.
No, then they don't be in the wild like this. I don't think so. Maybe they are just the same.
No, look.
You mean those ones? Look, those are there.
Yeah. Yeah, those ones over there. Didn't know they were worth it. I bet it's already reached Mom. Let's just go.
Careful. Aiden, welcome, Toto. time there was some kangaroos here. Ede. Today, nothing. They were somewhere there. Keith, you can go here if you want. Okay, keep. Go with him. No, keep go with him. See you later.
Hapa ndio tulipitia kwa hii kona.
Oh, that's smart. Oh, wait, no. Oh. It's just two sides. Oh, wait, look, my ears are like plugging.
Yeah, what?
No, you know when you're in an airplane and then your ears start
Oh.
yeah, that.
Yeah,
My ears are doing that.
Aiden, tell us how you feeling after the hiking. How are you feeling?
Not really great, but
Why?
because after we climbed a tough shortcut, our legs are shaking.
Are you getting old? Kip, how are you feeling?
Like crazy.
I'm fine.
Kip is
Right now
okay.
we're fine.
But
Right now we're fine.
when you came back, all of you was sweating.
Yeah, but Dad is able to walk faster because of his jeans.
No, he said he came here sweating too.
It's making you less more.
Yeah, next time you need to wear suitable clothes for the hike. Crystal Brook. Oh, this is Crystal Brook. This is the caravan park.
What do you mean?
It's a park where people park caravans and they live in the vans.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the
So
caravans. They live in the caravans.
So what do you mean? You come with your caravan?
They see there's so many of them.
So you come with your own?
You come with your you know the caravans where people live.
so you come
they
with
use
your
it as
own.
you come with your own and you are allowed to live there with your van.
Then you pay.
I don't think so. Maybe they are given by the government.
Okay.
The first time I'm seeing a motorbike. Back to Gosnells.
There's people who are annoying who drive their bikes like
Do 11 and 12 come with a bike skip?
No,
They're not allowed, is it?
I don't think they're not allowed. It's just that I got so lost the first day I was at Byford.
You go what?
I got lost.
Byford College.
Yeah. So
But you've been there for 3 years.
the first
No, you said the first.
Oh, the first day. Because it's big.
So my last class was held, and then when the bell went, I went around the block 3 times.
Do you don't Kinawe or we go straight?
You didn't ask for help, Kip?
Yeah, I was too embarrassed. I mean, not embarrassed. What's it called? I don't know how to say it.
You shouldn't be. You ask for help when you need to. See, now you had to go around 3 times and you wasted your time. Sindio? And now you are on a truck route. Route or route keep?
Tomato. Namdo. You can say route or route.
Aiden, now you see why I brought you clothes to change? Look at your pants. Aiden is so tired. Kwani mlipeleka Aiden wapi? Aiden, you're so tired. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm not tired.
No, you're so tired, Aiden. We just get home, you shower and sleep, okay?
Close your window, keep. Close your window. And then close your window.
Today in the heat, Nene? But this is enough.
Huh?
Okay.
Close your window.
It's gonna struggle.